traders, we're looking at the pound dollar. So on the weekly, I've just pulled up this previous high and these lows over here, this range. I'm interested in what's going on in here, and we're trading up into a key resistance level. So let's just go down to the daily. What we'll do is we'll work our way down the time frames and going to look at some potential trade opportunities. Here's the thing, we're trading north, daily time frame. The target, well, a target will be these highs here that we're just about to trade into. So I would expect some kind of reaction here. And the next port of call will be these highs here. So there's a couple of targets there to mark up on the chart and be mindful of, and we'll also grab, I'd pull that through as well. 3 points of interest there. Weekly time frame, daily time frame I should say. And I want to mark up this candle back in here, yellow. I'll color it yellow. My daily color is yellow, weekly is orange, and the monthly is white. So this definitely is a point of interest. We've got this big daily bullish candle. We'll just see what that looks like on the 4 hour and come up with a potential entry point. So what I'm interested in here on the 4H is this accumulation range. We'll just pick up this candle here. We'll pull it down. We'll cover the candle body high and the candle body low, this whole range through here. So that's our accumulation range on the 4H. Coincides with the daily, as you can see here, daily level. And this we can see further back in here. So we've got this balance area running through here. That's definitely a point of interest. I'm looking to buy in this market, but not at the current level. So we're trading into resistance. We've got a bit of a double top. We're spiking up. I'm really only interested if this retraces down into... There's a couple of things going on. Have a look at this candle, this thin candle here. We pick up the high on the candle on the left, the low on the candle to the right. Mark that up. We'll call that an imbalance. The 61.8 and this imbalance kind of, it's a little bit higher than the 61.8. I'm inclined to look for a buy opportunity around this imbalance. I would be looking to set a buy limit right on the imbalance, pretty much, slightly under the high. And if that's the case, then stop loss, you could go under the lows if you wanted to. It's a bit wide. So it just depends on your risk tolerance. So we've got midway through this accumulation range here. I'm okay to set my stop loss slightly under that and slightly under this previous daily level, previous daily high or whatever it was, I think. Something like that. So, that would be my my setup, and we're going to go for, there's a target. So we got a wonderful risk reward. Quite happy with that, guys. That would be my setup. By the way, if you haven't already, click the link below and check out my website. Jump on board our Telegram. Yeah, you're welcome. It's free. And that's my pound dollar idea. Always, there's risk involved. Can this get taken out? Absolutely. If smart money decides they want to get aggressive and they want to hit these lows down in here and take out these sell stops, that could happen. So I'm always going to go in with a conservative position size, and I want at least, minimum 1 to 2 risk reward, but go 1 to 3, 1 to 4. You could do the math. You don't need too many trades to come out on top if you have a decent risk reward. That's the setup, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Comment, and hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.